everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Get Math class. This video is a further explanation of algebraic components. In this video, I will give you only few examples that will give you better concept regarding power and coefficients. Let's go towards the lesson. If I have a number with power, let's suppose 3 raised to 5, what does it means? Power is showing 3 is multiplying itself 5 times. Because algebra is dealing with variables. Now suppose a variable with only power. What does it mean? It has the same meaning like x is multiplying itself 5 times. Now if I take the same variable only with coefficient, let's suppose 5x. What does it mean? It means x is adding itself 5 times. Now here you can see the difference. If variable only with power, it is multiplying itself. If variable only with coefficient, it is adding itself. I have another example, the variable with both power and coefficient. What does it mean? I will explain this number with respect to power as well as with respect to coefficient. If I take this number with respect to coefficient, so here x square will be considered as the basic number. So what does it mean? It means x square is adding 5 times itself. Because coefficient is 5, that's why I am writing x square plus x square 5 times. If I explain the same number with respect to power, so you can see this power is only on the variable x. So power shows number multiplying itself. That means x square means x multiply x, and 5 coefficient will remain the same. Here if I have the same number enclosed in the bracket and power is outside the bracket, I will explain this number with respect to power. Power shows the number is multiplying itself. So here the basic number is considered as 5x because power is outside the bracket. So basic number 5x is multiplying itself 2 times. This can also be written as, because this power is outside the bracket, this power can be distributed on x as well as on 5. So I can write 5 square into x square. Here another example is 2x plus 5. The number is inside the bracket is considered as the basic number and 2 is considered as coefficient. So coefficient means the number is adding itself. Here the coefficient is 2, so the basic number x plus 5 is adding itself 2 times. Here I take the same number x plus 5 with power 2. Power shows number multiplying itself 2 times. Here the basic number is x plus 5. X plus 5 is multiplying itself 2 times. But here if I compare 5x whole power 2 and x plus 5 with power 2, you can see the difference. Here the number inside the bracket in the form of multiplication. These are factor of each other. 5 and x are factors. Here you can see the number enclosed in the bracket in the form of term because plus sign is present here. X and 5 are the terms of each other. Here I distributed the power on x and power on 5 easily. I can write this 5 square x square. But in this, if I distribute the power over here, this will become x square plus y is 5 square. But this is totally wrong. it cannot be written like this. This will be further expanded by formula. Let's again have a look. Here we started with a number with power 5. The power means number is multiplying itself 5 times. Then we take variable with the same power. That means the variable is multiplying itself 5 times. Then we took the variable with only coefficient. Coefficient shows the number is adding itself. Here we took an example 5x square means variable with power as well as with coefficient. If I explain this number with respect to coefficient, coefficient shows number is adding itself. So here x square will be considered as the basic number and this number is adding itself 5 times because here coefficient is present. If I took this number with respect to power, power shows number is multiplying itself. The power is only on x. So x is multiplying itself 2 times and the coefficient 5 will remain same. Now here the 5x inside the bracket has the whole power. Power shows number is multiplying itself because the power is outside the bracket. That means the 5x is considered as a basic number. It means the 5x is multiplying itself 2 times. Here again another thing, we can distribute this power on x as well as on 5. So I can write this 5 square into x square. Now here come to this example. The number x plus 5 is inside the bracket and has the number 2 outside the bracket. The number 2 is taken as coefficient. Coefficient means number is adding itself 2 times. So the basic number is x plus 5 is adding itself 2 times. Now again the same number x plus 5 with power 2. Power shows number is multiplying itself 2 times. So we write x plus 5 into x plus 5. But here a comparison between the number enclosed inside the bracket 5x and x plus 5. Both has the power 2 outside the bracket. But inside the bracket here we have factors and inside the bracket here we have terms. Power is easily distributed on factors 5 square and x square. But here power cannot be distributed on the terms easily. It will be further expanded by formula. I hope you will like this video. Like and share my video. Subscribe my channel Get Math Class. Stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.